In this demonstration, we will show you how to manage the existing and planned events within the WorkZone database. On the left side is the map view displaying all visible WorkZone events to the user, and on the right side are those same events in table form. There is a menu bar to navigate to other functions within the software, and there is an option on the map to change the map layer. To find an event, the user can either use the map to zoom into a specific WorkZone, or they can use the table to find one in the list. To help narrow down your selection, the user can use the search feature to filter by keywords, or they can use the built-in filter criteria to narrow down their selection. Upon selecting an event, the map will zoom to that specific WorkZone and display the nearby incidents leading up to the date of the event. The user can modify the project data by clicking a specific field and updating the information. Or the user can delete the project if it is no longer needed. But let's not delete this one right now. If the incidents are not helpful, the user can toggle them on or off. There is also the option to add a new WorkZone to the database, either by uploading a corresponding file or manually inputting the data. Let's demonstrate the data input method. If the event is considered an emergency, we can flag it as such, then enter the needed information. The coordinates can be selected using the pop-up map tool, and the dates can be selected. I will use a past date for demonstration purposes. The next button will only display when all required fields have been entered. The entered information will be displayed for your confirmation, and any potential conflicts within the selected radius are displayed. If everything is acceptable, the project can be added to the database. When the map reloads, we can see some incidents that occurred around this time.